Well, go on. Hope all is well. This video should have went up yesterday, Saturday, April the 11th, but I was busy with work. However, it's on dancehall artist Mr. Vegas keeping a memorial service for Lady Sauce, saying that she didn't get a proper funeral, they didn't hand over the body, etc. A few people were dragging in, telling him to leave her alone. She don't live that life no more. But however, he did went on with the service for 8 p.m. and he even drag a few commenters.
The business, when me just say, you know how much things I go through in a dance and star, make me turn me back here one time, let me tell you something.
You know business with that?
God, me not keep my eyes off of him. Me hear some song, and me say some of the song, cause some of them me not like foolishness. And me not say, back, no food over nobody mouth and say, but when me hear sometimes, I disregard, me this old fool man.
So you do not wish to be called queen?
None at all. Listen, Lady Sauce spirit is dead. God killed that spirit. If I had that spirit, me see some things. It would have gone long time. You know, me would have attacked long time. And when people are tried.
Lady Sauce, born Marian Hall on the 12th of July, 1972. That is the name of Jamaican reggae artist known as the First Lady of Dancehall. She is the first female DJ to win a Grammy and to be certified triple platinum artist. She's also the first woman to headline dancehall shows outside of Jamaica. Tonight we're here, brothers and sisters, to pay homage to one of the greatest of all time. The reason why we're here, to pay homage, is because that artist was killed by God, spiritually. So, I myself as a fan, I think we need to pay some homage to this great Monica. The greatest cannot go out like that. The greatest must be sent off with a beautiful tribute from us, her peers. So tonight, we pay homage. I will get the libation, but I will start with her first song that we heard of her and fell in love. Here we go. One of the greatest to ever touch down on Jamaica's soil. History, it will be created tonight.
Father up above, I've heard that you're the miracle maker. Well, if a people ask to be millionaire, but I want him me answer. Watch this now. Father, watch this. Oh Lord, please welcome me because for me to find a man of my own. Because dear Lord, I am tired of sleeping all alone. Dear God, I know that good man is very hard to find.
That is how we were introduced to the greatest to ever grace the stage.
If I can give myself all the reason for being with you, you can't give me a reason why you have to do all these funny things like staying out late at night, making me spend all sorts of lonely.
Tribute to one of the greatest.
You know you're driving me crazy.
You can't go out like that, you man.
Just give me a reason why we fuss and fight. Give me a reason why I have to spend these on
If you don't want to be reminded about our greatness, cut, because we're going to turn it up.
other girls.
If you don't want to hear about our, if you don't want to hear about ladies, cut. Oh, Mr. Vegas, respect people wish. Hey,
Reason why you make me cry. Is there a reason why I have to spend these lonely nights?
pull up. Pull up. Huh? We're going to pay homage tonight. The greatest king just go like that. You crazy? Let's go, mama. Oh, no.
I'ma make you have a friend tonight. Let me take you on a love tour tonight.
Watch the Christian them. Watch the Christian them.
Let me fuck you with my heels.
Watch the Christian. Remember when I go to church tomorrow?
Tonight.
Remember when I go to church tomorrow?
Let me take.
Alright, pray about it. Pray about it. You're mad. All the greatest God, so you're mad. God, the way I do, God, give it. Hey.
Let me fuck you with my heels on, yeah.
Pull up. When I say I'm going to do a memorial to Lady Sam, be people are cuss. Oh, that is so insensitive. How can you say that? I can just say a memorial to Lady Sam. I can't believe you are so insensitive. And I know you're in the boy, you want to fuck with the ears on. Go away. Hey, come again, Moa. Come on.
I'ma make you have a front door tonight.
Watch them now. Watch the hypocrite them now. The hypocrite them come in. I say, you know, it's a good thing after all. Me like. Pull up. Someone not gonna breathe tonight. Somebody gonna breathe. One of them hypocrites are gonna breathe, you know. One of them hypocrites are going like people can't talk about ladies again. Like we can't enjoy the past, the music because she give away and left give away. When I go like say, I was walk my mouth and say, ladies, we must just shut up. And don't say anything about this great personality. Are you crazy? You like you want to let people, what are you talking about, ladies? So call her sister Mary. We don't know talking about Mary today. We going ladies home.
Girl, when you call my phone, just say what's on your mind, okay? Just don't call and hang up. I'm not into that.
What did y'all left there?
Tell you something.
Your man, he told me that he's tired of the you got. He took one hit and said my dish keeps him coming back. He likes it tight and said it's just a little slack. Girl, don't get mad at me, I'm only telling you the fact. I've got your man and you can't do anything about it.
Man, them kill ladies and I give you the body for bury. Yeah, man, if you kill ladies and we not get the bury her, you idiot. No, we want her. We want her to bury her.
They want how when we used to hold the man them. Bashman something. No girl want no.
Well, if you just kill her, son. Yeah, man, you can't kill her, son.
Only mama no suffer me. They want how when we used to hold the man.
You're not idiot.
Bashman something. No girl want.
Give it the body back, we bury it. Yeah, man. Tribute.
Only mama no suffer me. But not everybody to me. He the one to offer me. But you wanna not do nothing, not want to them. Only mama no suffer me.
Hey.
But you wanna not do nothing, not want to them.
I wish girl boy I can ride with him, so. Eh? Tell me which artist can ride with him, so. Which female artist I don't know boy will ride with him, so. Huh? Anybody? Tell me one! Huh? And you don't want me to pay homage? You're talking about... We're so insensitive. Insensitive, yup.
Not want to them. My son in front them not stop for me. Them under love the burger we come here to catch up. I said when him a drink.
I want them to get like go down. They get like go down. Hey. Someone to get hold, no one tune can't go down with no one little girl and go down and enjoy themselves. No boy hypocrite. Get away.
You remember.
Oh no, just dead. Hey. Pop. New Year to man forward. Hey. New Year to man forward. Hey.
You remember.
But you can't stop me from big up lady song. Boy! Long live the queen!
I want me to want me tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for them. Tell you it was under the sycamore tree. I want me to want me tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for me.
Tribute to one of the greatest. She said God kill her. Yeah, Sister Mariana said God kill lady, sir. So there you go. Say God kill her. Yeah. Not dead for we do. Who do really think is ready to take the crown? Let us find out from the greatest herself. Who she, thinks is going to take the crown. Let's see what she says.
And Spice, her leading successor.
No, I don't have any advice for her more than I would say, seek Jesus. Seek Jesus.
What? All right, Mama. All right, cool. All right, Mama. All right. Let's see a word. All right, get back to the music. Mama.
Now the other side looking for a strong black stallion. You see if you think you're fit for the position. Sure, when you come over and I'm a can. Function.
Pull up. Yeah, somehow it's a boring, man. We dey enjoy little music and enjoy we say, there's an idiot that come in the room, Vegas, you look attention. Then when you come on the live and give me the attention for. We can't enjoy little music with one of the greatest. No. And Corona kill pastor? No, sir. Corona, you're wicked. You kill good pastor. No, Corona, me hate your girl. Me hate your girl.
Now the other side looking for a strong black stallion. You see if you think you're fit for the position. Sure, when you come over and I'm a can. Function. Sweet farmer, sweet guru.
Hey.
Come at this slide back, go give me till you get sweet farmer, sweet guru.
Pull up. I told you I was going to turn it up.
Looking for a strong black stallion.
Tribute to one of the greatest. We said a female artist come here, come have hits after hits. Hey.
Sweet farmer, sweet guru, up for me on it. Anytime you want the boy, you gotta get it. Leave around cats and no more Charlie. Come at me slide back, go give me till you get it. Sweet farmer, sweet guru, up for me on it. Anytime you want the boy, you gotta get it. Leave around cats and no more Charlie. Come at me slide back, boogie.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just joining us, please get your libation and pour a drink for one of the greatest of all time, Lady Saw. If you're wondering why we're doing it, let us hear why. Let's see why. Let's see why. Let's see what's going on. Hold on.
The reason why this question is relevant is that Spice is widely held as the new queen of dancehall.
Well, thank you for making me a queen. I'm a queen for Jesus.
Many are saying that you are still queen. Though Spice, for most I think, are supporting Spice as a new queen.
Listen, I hear nothing about that the business. When we just say, you know what things I go through in the dance and start, let me turn me back here, man. Let me tell you something.
You know business with that.
Right, make me not keep my eyes off of him. We hear some song, and I say some of the sound, because some of them are not like foolishness. I'm not saying, but no food over nobody more. But when we hear sometimes, I disregard for this old fool, man.
So you do not wish to be called queen?
No, not at all. Listen, Lady Saw spirit is dead. God kill that spirit. If I spirit, this is how things. What? Lady Saw spirit is dead. God kill that spirit.
Oh God, God, I can't deal with you, God. You always do these things, God.
Somebody can't please me. Them just not ready. No more to flog me. It is started. Baby, are you up for this? Give me all that seven so that I can turn on the first. We know no talking. I am feeling hot tonight. Be ready for the bump and ride. Put me on the beat.
Put your way. Where you want to go? On the big ninja bike? Alright, me know where you want to go on it. Me know where you want to go on it. Me know where you want to go on it, man.
I want hard. And we want to be the gymnastic acrobatics like a...
Bring my chair now. Bring my pillar. Bring my time. Hey.
It's raining, my body's falling.
Oh, my God. Pull up. God, please stand up, my God. God, why you... God, sit up. Jesus. Oh, you're in the grave today. Oh, sorry.